Yo, what's up everybody? Back with another video, and today I'm joined by Little Junior. Anyways, you probably know him. He was a banana in our last video. Anyways, what's the game we're playing? What's it called again?
It's called Animal Company.
Yeah, good boy. Anyways, he played this game before. I have not. Actually, I have, but I haven't explored much. So he's gonna show us around. Ooh, what is this?
Number one. Wait, whoa! Don't step off of it. Wait. Okay, now step off of it.
Okay.
Look at them cheeks, jiggle.
Beating my meat! Stop beating my meat! Stop beating my meat! Come here! I'm gonna touch you! I'm gonna touch you! I'm gonna touch you! I'm gonna touch you! Bro, what is that? Oh, shiny object I want to touch! Anyways, this is spooky. I'm gonna go this way, I guess.
Okay, when the lights.
Go, bro. I can suck this whole thing. Oh, even bigger.
He's gonna come after your nuts.
Oh, what the? What just happened? What the? Skibidi toilet, bro. I shouldn't have died there. Man, that makes me want to step on. I'ma touch you. Give me those booty cheeks.
Let me show you something. This is what I call the Skibidi magic trick.
Oh!
Okay, there's two more things I want to show you before we can get sick.
Oh no, bro! What the skibidi are we? Where's the skibidi? Oh no.
Don't go down there. That's the gay waters.
What do you mean?
So that's my pet chicken Cooper. Go say hi to him.
Okay. I like Cooper.
He's so friendly.
I love Cooper. Now I might eat him for breakfast. I mean dinner. Actually, all of the above. Oh my god. Cooper. Is that his egg? I can't take this anymore.
I'm sorry, I gotta do it.
Oh my god, bro. Can you stop? You're bouncing booty cheeks, bro. I want to go back down there.
I have to be in front so you can look at my cheeks.
Oh.
Okay. This one's not that hard.
What is this?
Okay. You see
Oh,
that
fish.
blue thing? Touch the blue thing.
Oh my god, the nut. Slice.
I told you not to run into the blue thing. I don't know why you ran into the blue thing.
Oh, he's dead. Oh god, I gotta go. Oh crap.
Oh baby!
Is this a rocket ship?
Rocket ship, get in the rocket ship.
You go in a rocket ship.
You go on it.
I have allergies of space, bro. I can't go in a rocket ship. Go in the rocket ship! I feel forced at this point, bro. Hello? Junior.
Okay.
Junior, wanna go to Mars with me? It was really fun.
Get in there.
You get in there, you. Anyways, what is? Oh no. What is that thing? Oh god, it's so dark, bro. Okay, this slow. Okay. Oh shit.
Come on.
Oh. This thing. Oh, what is? Oh no. spooky. What is this? Iron. Ooh. Oh. Ah! Oh. My God, bro, what just happened? Peter just
Peter Papa.
Peter What? That's Sigmar. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. What is that thing? I can't anymore with this stuff.
Okay, just follow me. Wait, follow me.
Follow you? Okay. Oh, I don't like this, bro. Guess what?
I found the
Oh no, bro.
time to use some power.
Oh no. Well, he's dead. Ooh, spooky tunnel. I want to go to the spooky tunnel. Green. Green's good. The Sigma. Ooh, button. Oh!